How to switch between demo and live account on OANDA. First of all, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the top left corner and click on the trade option. This will take you to the main trading page. To switch from a demo account to a live account, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where you will see the option Open Live Account. Click on it and you will be directed to the live trading section where you can use real money. Please note, to access a live account, you must be a verified user. Switching between demo and live account is very easy and lets you practice risk-free before moving to real trading. The demo account is perfect for testing strategies, while the live account allows you to trade with actual funds. Make sure you feel confident in demo trading before switching to live to manage your risks better. Now you know how to switch between demo and live accounts on OANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.